Hi Capricorn, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. Pwede nyong panoorin ang inyong moon and rising placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Okay? Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Capricorn. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you, Capricorn. Okay, so we have the moving up. Career is on the rise. New offers and opportunities. Salary increase. Go to the next level. So you are moving up, Capricorn. Okay, may mga improvements or developments when it comes sa iyong trabaho, sa personal life mo. Okay, merong enlightenment. Social status, you will reach the heights of fame and society. Don't get arrogant. Wow. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, maybe you are in a creative industry. You are moving up. You will be known or you will be popular. Okay? You will be famous. Capricorn. May mga new developments na nangyayari sa buhay ninyo. We have the endings. The cycle is over. It's time for you to make a change. Rebirth. It is time to say goodbye. Okay. Merong endings na nangyayari or part ng inyong buhay. Endings also in some of your, let's say in your work, may mga completion of projects. Okay. Completion of task. You are moving up. You're going to the next level. Okay. It's time also to it's time for you to shift, to make a change, okay? And say goodbye to the old ways, to the old ways, okay? Merong bago na paparating sa inyo. It may be sa work, maybe in your finance as well, okay? May mga improvements na mangyayari. Let us see what are the messages from the tarot. Capricorn. Messages for the Capricorn, please. Maybe also endings in some of you sa mga relationship. It's time to move on also. And embrace new beginnings, Capricorn. Yeah. So definitely you are manifesting something wonderful in your life, new developments. If before walang nangyayari, okay? Parang siniswerte ka ngayon, Capricorn. You have that strength within you, okay? Lahat ng mga challenges na overcome. You have the abilities, the capabilities to overcome challenges, okay? Nabibigyan ninyo ng solusyon. Oh. You will be known, okay? Maybe if you are in a creative field, maybe in advertising, in marketing, or maybe you are, if you are a vlogger, okay? You will be known. You will be famous and popular. You feel victorious. Okay? In your endeavor. Yeah. Abundance is coming up. You know that it will come, Capricorn. Bright future is ahead of you. Okay? Happy times. Yes, happy times. You will be proud of yourself, okay? You will be happy. You feel that you are in the right path. Yung hard work ninyo nagkaroon ng will be paid off, okay? Merong kasiyahan na mangyayari sa inyo, Capricorn, after those difficulties and hardships. Dahil sa inyong lakas ng loob, you are very talented, okay? Madiskarte. You deserve to be happy, okay? Yeah. For some of you, you will be making a decision to move forward, okay? In terms of your relationship, you are leaving a situation that is no longer meant for you, okay? Or a situation na magulo or problema, nagbibigay sa'yo ng stress. You will be moving forward. You will just leave it behind, okay? You will be making a decision for that, maybe in your relationship. Merong tao na pwede mong lapitan, okay, na magbibigay sa inyo ng magandang advice. For some of you, you will have a trip, you will be traveling, you are arranging papers, okay? Yeah. Nag-iisip ka ng mga paraan ngayon on how to move forward. You have to overcome obsession on something, okay, or addiction. You will be changing your perspective, okay? Embrace the change, Capricorn. For some of you, you are overly focused on material things, okay, unhealthy. Maybe you are overspending on something, okay? Yeah. Yeah, nag-iisip kayo on how to advance in your life. How to be successful. Maybe you keep on thinking on that. Okay? Nag-iisip kayo ng paraan, but sometimes parang yun na lang lagi ang naisip nyo or nawawalan kayo ng pag-asa. Paano kayo makabangon? Okay? You are financially challenged. Okay? But you know, sometimes you have to let go of control issues. Justice will be yours. Everything will come to you in a fair way, okay? In a fair manner. Yeah. Kailangan mong pagtuunan ng pansin ang iyong sarili, okay? You have to nurture yourself, develop yourself further. For some of you, kailangan mong isipin din yung sarili mo, hindi lang yung ibang tao or yung partner ninyo. You will be making a decision, okay? What is best for you? Yeah. Embrace the change, Capricorn. Kung ano man yung mga difficulties na nararanasan ninyo, okay, or nahirapan kayo sa buhay ninyo or sa inyong relationship, you will soon over it. Yeah. Change will come. Brighter days will come for you, Capricorn. Yes. May mga introspection na nangyayari sa inyo. Naiisip ninyo yung sitwasyon ninyo financially. Okay? You are dreaming or thinking about how to improve your life, your family life, okay? And family relationships. But soon, you will be overcoming yung mga challenges na yon sa inyong relasyon or financial matters, okay? You are guided spiritually na mabigyan ng kasagutan ang inyong mga problema, mabigyan kayo ng clarifications. Magkakaroon ng kaliwanagan ang inyong sitwasyon sa family, okay? Or sa inyong mga financial difficulties and obligations, maybe you're thinking a lot about it. Okay? You really want to be successful in your life. Okay, in your career. You're thinking about it. Okay? And you will be ma-overcome ninyo yung mga difficulties na yon, Capricorn. Okay? Meditate, ask for guidance and help. Okay? Karoon kayo ng spiritual enlightenment. Justice will be yours, Capricorn, at the end. Nabibigyan ng kasagutan ang inyong mga katanungan about life. Yeah. Okay, kung matagal nyo nang inaantay kung paano mag-improve ang inyong life, be patient, okay? You cannot change things overnight. Wait for the right time. Okay? And embrace the change. Let go of the trust or of the control issues that you have. Let go. Okay? Yeah, you have to take care of yourself, your health. Okay. Let us see ano pa yung mga messages for you. Messages for Capricorn, please. Additional message. Be patient, Capricorn. Okay? Magkakaroon ng kaliwanagan ang inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Oops. Too much. Things will be okay, Capricorn. Just be patient. Trust the universe. Meditate. Pray. Okay? You are spiritually guided para ma-overcome mo yung mga difficulties na nararanasan ninyo in terms of work, personal life ninyo, or even in your relationship. Okay? Lightning. Control your anger or you will be sorry. Okay? That's one message for you. Control your anger. Or you will be sorry. Huwag padalos-dalos. Magpadala sa emosyon, Capricorn. Kailangan ng pasensya. Carrot. Opportunity or windfall. Wow. So, may mga opportunities na darating sa inyo. Okay? Or windfall. Windfall of money. Of good opportunities to improve your situation. October. Something good will come in the month of October. Important things or may mga events or activities in the month of October. Okay? This is something memorable or special to you. We have cat, a two-faced friend. Okay, be careful sa taong a two-faced friend. Okay, huwag masyadong magtiwala sa mga tao na nasa paligid ninyo. Okay, yeah. Sa harap, okay. Pag nakatalikod ka, temporary situation. Okay, you may be in a difficult situation right now, pero ma-overcome nyo din yun. Temporary lang yan, Capricorn. Do not lose hope. Bread. Period of prosperity and abundance. Yes. Okay, darating yung abundant time para sa inyo. You will prosper, Capricorn. Magtiwala. Keep doing good. Keep moving forward, Capricorn. So that is the message for you. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.